Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today's focus is to show you how you can merge cells inside of Google Sheets. This is important for organizing and visualizing your data within your cells. Okay, so I'm going to jump over to this sheet over here and show you what I mean. This is a default layout when you first open up a new sheet inside of Google Sheets. Now, merging is self-explanatory. Let's say I wanted to merge these three cells, 7, 8, 9, within the columns G, H, and I. All I would do is navigate up to Format, Merge Cells, and Merge All. And as you can see, all 9 of those cells have been merged into one. Now if we click here and add content, you can see these 9 cells now act as one cell. Now what we can do with the content within this cell is we can navigate up to Format, Alignment, and we can change the alignment. For example, Center. Now the content is center aligned. Again, we can navigate up to Format and then Middle. And now that content is in the middle. Again, we can also simply merge down by navigating up to Format, Alignment, Merge Cells, and Merge Vertically. Now one more example, let's navigate across over to Inventory. Now this is a Google Sheets business template that we sell to small businesses. Essentially, this template is an all-in-one Google Sheets CRM. If you do not have a CRM in your business or hate paying for monthly subscriptions for business software, then feel free to check out Sheetify CRM. I'll add appropriate resources and tutorials down below in the description. Okay, now up here you can see we have this content. This content is just in one cell. Now to make this nicer, what I can do is drag over these 2 cells, navigate up to Format, Merge Cells, and Merge All. And you can see that content is better positioned. If we navigate all the way over to the Quick Start Guide within this template, you can see I've done the same with all these cells. Row 9 and all of these columns we have merged. And this merge feature allowed us to create this template, this sheet for our Quick Start Guide. Okay, so there we have it. That is how you can merge cells inside of Google Sheets. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.